Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan Portuguese custard tarts. Starting off, you're going to want 1 litre of oat milk, 45 grams of cornstarch, the zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 1.5 teaspoons of agar powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 170 grams of sugar, 100 grams of vegan butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and 1 store-bought puff pastry. It's usually vegan. Start off by adding all of the dry ingredients to a mixing bowl and give it a good whisk. Next, we're going to roll out our puff pastry sheets and we're going to cut them into circles. I've used just a standard cup. Once you have them ready, line them in a baking tray. No need to grease them up because the store-bought ones tend to be loaded with margarine anyway, so they're pretty much greased. Next, start off by adding 1 cup of plant-based milk into the saucepan and add in there your dry ingredients. Once that's stirred and well combined, add in what's left of the 1 litre of plant-based milk. Once that starts bubbling up, you know that's ready to go. I'm just going to then, as a finishing touch, add in the vegan butter and the vanilla, give that a final whisk. Then straight away, I'm just going to pour those into the cups and bake those on a preheated oven on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they get a nice colour. If you've got any leftovers, feel free to refrigerate those. They make a lovely, lovely pudding. As you can see, nicely coloured. Now, just a little trick that I got from Tom from Project Vegan Baking. To make a nice glaze on these and to make them shine nicely, going with a teaspoon of vegan-friendly jam. I'm using apricot jam and a dash of boiling water. Give it a good stir. Then you're going to brush the cooled down custard tarts with that on top. Look at how beautiful that is. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave me a like, leave me a comment, do subscribe. It means a lot. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.